Is or are? Let's find it out. Everyone blank here. Let's look at the rule. Whenever we have one, and also whenever we want to say everyone, anyone, no one, or also someone, all of these, let's say, forms should be followed by singular verb is. So is a to be verb, which is singular. Please keep it in your mind. Everyone, no one, someone, anyone, always with is, and everyone is so singular. This book blank interesting. This here, look at the rule. This or also that always should be followed by singular verb is. This should be used for objects which are, let's say, near, and that for far. And the plural form are these and those, which also should be followed by plural verb, which is are. These are, those are. This book is singular, so this book is interesting. Number 3, my parents. Parents, very good, has, let's say, plural s, and it means two people, father and mother together. So because it's plural, we have to use plural verb are. Number 4, why these clothes so expensive? Here we have plural noun with plural article these. So we have to use plural verb why are. Number 5, your friends coming to the party. Friends has, let's say, plural s. It means more than one. So we have to use plural verb are your friends. Some of the equipment heavy. Here it's very interesting. Equipment, like information, you have to know that it's uncountable noun. Uncountable noun. And the thing that you have to remember is we must use singular verb with uncountable noun. And also whenever we have, let's say, a some, none, most, and all, plus, let's say, the preposition of, plus countable or uncountable nouns, we have to, let's say, be careful regarding the to be verb. When it's countable nouns, we have to use are, and when it's uncountable is. And here we have some of the equipment. Equipment is uncountable, so is. Uncountable is. Number 7, none of the information. Again, like the previous rule, here we have uncountable noun, and we have the, let's say, combination of none, so singular verb is. Number 8, most of the reports. Here we have most of plus, very good, a countable noun, which is, let's say, report, and we also have to use a plural verb are. It's super important. Number 9, mathematics, singular. All the subjects are singular. Number 10, someone in the car. But to have to use, very good, because if we have someone, we have to use singular verb is.